Hi, I have a review for willowandeverett for their cold-brew coffee maker. And it's glass, and it's stainless steel, and you put your coffee in there. You just pop open the top, put your coffee in there, and your water in there, and then you put your coffee back in here and just close it up, and you leave it sit. You make it overnight and be ready for you in the morning for your iced coffee, or you can make tea in it too. It's really good, nice made. Measure measurements. It makes about 4 to 5 cups, and it is 32 ounces. Nice little spout on it to pour out, and it's 100% BPA free, and the glass is a beautiful design. The middle thing is a mess for your coffee, and the ring, the plastic ring, is silicone to help keep your coffee fresh. And it's really easy to make your coffee. It doesn't take that long. You just do it overnight and then you'll be ready in the morning. And thank you for listening, and have a good day. Bye.